Now that you have a good understanding of SQL syntax, we can create a new table. We've cleared the database from the previous exercise. Confirm no celebs table exists by entering the following code. Select all tables. So, select all tables from celebs, semicolon, run. So the table's been wiped. Now that you know the database is empty, let's create a new celebs table in the editor type. So to create a table, we need to do create table on capitals, which is a clause. The celebs will be the name of the table, or we can call it anything we want. Brackets. ID integer, which will give a number. No, in fact, that'll be capitals. ID integer, comma, name, name, text, so in capitals, comma, age, integer, with the bracket will finish it off, and the semicolon will finish it off. So let's bring that back up. So we've got another bracket in there to close that off, and we'll run. And we'll get it right. So include a name column in the table. Generally, they're darker. The skin tone, you have to go bigger so you can see what it is. So I went with this right here. That is amazing. Create table celebs. Is that when someone sees it, I don't want them to have to like think about what it is. Across the street, I want them to go, that's awesome. Totally wipe out what she had. And missing. Like it was never there. Absolutely. Like a hard restart. Yabba dabba do. Haha, got it. Is she gonna like this better? We will learn how to view this table in a later exercise after we've added some data to it. So select all from celebs, but then if you want to create a table, it's create a table, celebs, ID, integer, name, text, age, integer. So manipulation, insert. The insert statement inserts a new row into a table. So that'll be like an A, B, or a C in Excel. We can use the insert statement when you want to add new records. The statement below enters a record for Justin Bieber in celebs table. So insert into celebs table, ID, name, age, and then the values will be 1, which is the first record, Justin Bieber's the name, and 22 is the age. So insert into a clause that adds the specific row or rows. Celebs is the table the row is added to. Celebs is the table the row is added to. ID, name, age is a parameter identifying the columns that data will be inserted into. Values is a clause that indicates the data being inserted. 1 Justin Bieber is a parameter identifying the value being inserted. 1 is an integer will be added in the ID column. Justin Bieber text will be added to the name column, and 22 and an integer will be added to the age column. Add a row to the table in the code editor. So we're going to add a row. So insert into celebs, which we've just created. We've just created that table. So ID, comma, name, comma, space, age, and then the values or the clauses will be 1, comma, Justin Bieber. But you need these 22 semicolon run. Yabba dabba do. So that'll be the celebs table, which is up here. Name and type.